Okay, today we're going to talk about the Panasonic R520 electronic typewriter. As you can see, this is a typewriter from the late 80s, early 90s era. This is one of those electronic daisy wheel type typewriter that is without a screen, which is very primitive and very basic. However, it functions very well, and the text it types is very crisp because it uses a tape instead of using laser printing or ink printing technology. So it sticks, it's waterproof, and you can make a mark on those forms, and then you can create carbon copy at ease. So basically, this is a very typical plastic keyboard of the era. There are still functions with this particular machine. First of all, there's a spell check function, and then there's a text memory function over here. So basically, how well it performs. Well, I can show you. For example, like if you type here, it shows the M. Okay, so what I type, let me show you. Oh, Michael Jackson is white. Okay, so you can see if I lift this lever, you can see that the text is extremely crisp. Yeah, and then the contrast is much better than the laser printing, ink printing, because basically it's a sticker. It's just stick the text onto the piece of paper. Okay, so that's why it's very crisp. The contrast ratio, it's more than a million, I think. Okay, let's give up. And then let's try something else. Well, for example, when I try to talk, I sometimes bullshit a lot. So when I type bullshit, and you don't want anyone else to know. So if you have some second thoughts, you can press the backspace button right here, or they call it text clear. Okay, so you just basically type the text clear button, and then basically the sticker sticks back onto the white piece of tape. This is the beauty of a electronic typewriter. Basically, it's a sticker machine. Basically, you stick the text to the piece of paper, and then when you want to cancel, you just put a piece of tape to stick it back. It's all automatic. I mean, you can do envelopes, labels with these. These are extremely easy and much better than anything else for the moment. And then if you think you're dumb enough, there's also a spell check function. Yeah, spell check function. But let me check how to do that spell check functions. There's also the usual tabulation stuff, but I'm not going to show you here because I don't think you would be interested in those. Who would need them? I mean, right now. Okay, so basically when we type code and then 0 at the same time, we have a spell function. Okay, and then basically it's on. Okay, I suppose that is the case. Let's try to type something. Okay, let's just type THISS. Oh, this is not correct, right? THISS is not correct. So basically, there's a beep. SSS. Oh, this is not correct as well. How about this? You see? No beep. No beep, that means the spelling is correct. If there's a beep, the spelling is not correct. Let's try Michael Jackson is black again. Oh, Michael, did I get it wrong? M-I-C-H-A-E-L. I don't know why. But how about Jackson is white? Oh, I got it all wrong. Right. How about is black with a double K? Oh, then there's the beep. That's the spell check function. So basically, this is what this machine is. I mean, a very basic primitive model with a little bit of store text function. The buttons are on the right. This is not a particular mint machine. It has been heavily used, but it's 100% functional. This is good for typing forms and all that shit. As you all know, I mean, Hong Kong is a low-tech heaven, so finding these ribbon daisy wheels are extremely easy. If you need some help, you can contact me. I mean, I don't know how I would make a profit out of that. As you can see, these are like dirt over there, but you can just remove them by hand. It's just dirty hair and shit. Use a vacuum, it helps as well. But these electronic daisy wheel typewriters do not require a very heavy maintenance. Unlike mechanical counterparts, they do not need oiling, no that shit. All you need is power supply, tape, and this ribbon. That's it. Don't need anything else, and it will always be crisp, and you don't need to control finger pressure. No, it's all fine. Okay, so basically this is a demo of the Panasonic R520.